Happy Travel Tuesday! I'm Natty P and I'm answering all of your questions about family and baby travel. So today's question is, what do I pack? And I get it, traveling with a baby and or a toddler for the first time can feel like a lot. So because you will have called ahead, you will know if you need to pack things like a stroller. I think you should always travel with a travel stroller, but up to you. Pack and play, high chair, you will already know what's at your destination and what you do not need to worry about. You will also find out if there's a way that you can have some diapers delivered there, or have the company have them there for you when you arrive. You will have figured that stuff already. When it comes to exactly what to pack, things like life jackets, snacks, I have written a packing list for you, and it is on my website. So I'm going to send you there, www.nattyponline.com, and that will have a packing list for baby that will cover everything you will need for your trip somewhere warm this year, okay? Send your questions over, drop them in the comments below. I can't wait to answer them. And if you are headed somewhere warm, enjoy the sunshine. We'll see you next week.